Think you need hours in the gym to reshape your body? Think again. 1 minute, that's all it takes. Planking, a simple yet powerful exercise, can transform your entire physique with just 60 seconds of daily effort. Intrigued? You should be. This isn't just about washboard abs, though those are a welcome side effect. It's about unlocking your body's true potential. This isn't a magic bullet, it's about consistency and commitment. 1 minute a day, every day. That's the magic formula. Sounds doable? Because it is. And the rewards? They go far beyond what you see in the mirror. Let's dive in. Planking is like holding the top of a push-up, but instead of going up and down, you hold the position. Easy, right? Well, it might seem simple at first glance, but don't let that fool you. This exercise is a powerhouse when it comes to building core strength and stability. Well, easy doesn't mean ineffective. In fact, the longer you hold the plank, the more challenging it becomes. Your muscles start to tremble, and you can feel the burn intensifying. This is where the magic happens. This static hold engages your entire core, from your abs to your back, building strength and stability you'll feel throughout your day. Not only does it target your abdominal muscles, but it also works your shoulders, arms, and even your glutes. It's a full-body workout in one simple move. To plank correctly, start face down. This initial position sets the foundation for a proper plank. Make sure your body is aligned and ready to engage. Prop yourself up on your forearms, elbows directly below your shoulders. This alignment is crucial for maintaining balance and ensuring that the right muscles are activated. Step your feet back, shoulder width apart, and rise onto your toes. This stance helps distribute your weight evenly and keeps your body stable. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Imagine a straight line running from the top of your head to your heels. This alignment is key to maximizing the benefits of the plank. Hold this position, engaging your core and glutes, for as long as you can. The longer you hold, the more you challenge your muscles and build endurance. Aim for that 1 minute mark. If you're just starting out, you might not reach a full minute right away, and that's okay. Gradually increase your time as you build strength. Remember, consistency is key. With regular practice, you'll notice improvements in your core strength, posture, and overall stability. So next time you think about skipping your plank, remember all the benefits it brings to your body. Happy planking! As you plank, you'll feel the burn in your abs. That's your core muscles working hard. Planking targets the rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscle, the transverse abdominis, your deep core muscles, and the obliques, the muscles on your sides. These muscles are essential for a strong, stable core. A strong core is the foundation for a strong body. It improves your posture, balance, and overall athletic performance. But it's not just about looking good in a bathing suit, although that's a bonus. A strong core helps prevent back pain, improves digestion, and even makes everyday activities easier. Planking doesn't just work your core, it also strengthens your back muscles. These muscles are crucial for maintaining good posture. And good posture isn't just about looking confident, it can also reduce neck pain, headaches, and even improve your breathing. Think about how much time you spend sitting each day at work, in the car, on the couch. All that sitting can weaken your back muscles and lead to poor posture. Planking helps counteract the negative effects of sitting by strengthening the muscles that support your spine. Don't just take our word for it, science backs the power of the plank. Studies have shown that planking is more effective than traditional abdominal exercises, like crunches, for activating core muscles. It's a full-body exercise that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Planking has also been shown to improve athletic performance. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that athletes who incorporated planking into their training regimen saw significant improvements in their core strength and stability, which translated to better performance in their respective sports. Section 6. Plank Everyday Tips for Success. Planking is one of the most effective exercises you can do to strengthen your core, improve your posture, and enhance your overall fitness. But like any exercise, the key to success is consistency. Consistency is key when it comes to seeing results from planking. It's not just about doing it once in a while, it's about making it a part of your daily routine. When you plank every day, you build endurance, strength, and mental toughness. Here are a few tips to help you stay motivated and make planking a daily habit. Start small. It's important to set realistic goals when you're beginning. Don't feel like you need to hold a plank for a full minute right away. it's perfectly fine to start with shorter durations. Even 10 or 20 seconds can be a great starting point. The key is to gradually increase your hold time as you get stronger. Start with 20 seconds and gradually increase your hold time as you get stronger. Find a plank buddy. Having a workout partner can make a huge difference in your motivation levels. Having someone to plank with can make it more fun and help you stay accountable. You can challenge each other, share tips, and celebrate your progress together. It's a great way to stay committed to your fitness goals. Track your progress. Keep a record of your plank time each day. This can be done in a fitness journal, a calendar, or even a fitness app. Seeing how far you've come can be a great motivator. When you look back and see that you started with just a few seconds and now you're holding a plank for a minute or more, it can be incredibly encouraging. Remember, it's just 1 minute out of your day. You can do it. Think about the benefits you're gaining from this small investment of time. Improved core strength, better posture, and increased endurance are just a few of the rewards. So, take a deep breath, get into position, and start planking. Your future self will thank you. Section 7, Real People, Real Results. In this section, we dive into the inspiring stories of individuals who have experienced remarkable transformations through the simple yet powerful exercise of planking. These are not just testimonials, they are real-life examples of how dedication and consistency can lead to incredible results. Don't just take our word for it, hear it from real people who have transformed their bodies with the power of the plank. These stories highlight the diverse backgrounds and fitness levels of individuals who have all found success with this core-strengthening exercise. I started planking for just 30 seconds a day, and within a few weeks I could feel my core getting stronger, says Sarah, a busy mom of 2. Sarah's journey is a testament to how even the busiest of schedules can accommodate a quick yet effective workout. She found that incorporating planking into her daily routine not only strengthened her core but also provided a much-needed break from her hectic day. Now I can hold a plank for over a minute and my posture has improved dramatically. Sarah noticed that her back pain, which had been a constant companion due to poor posture, started to diminish. The improvement in her posture was not just a physical change but also boosted her confidence in her daily activities. I even feel more confident. Sarah's newfound confidence radiates in her interactions with others, and she attributes this positive change to the simple act of planking. It's amazing how a small change in your fitness routine can have such a profound impact on your overall well-being. John, a former college athlete, found that planking helped him regain the core strength he had lost after graduation. John had always been active during his college years, but after entering the workforce, he found it challenging to maintain his fitness levels. Planking became his go-to exercise to rebuild his core strength. I was starting to get that dreaded dad bod, he laughs. John humorously recalls how his once athletic physique was slowly giving way to a more sedentary lifestyle. The simplicity and effectiveness of planking made it easy for him to incorporate into his daily routine, even with a busy schedule. But planking has helped me get back in shape and feel like my old self again. John shares that the physical changes were accompanied by a renewed sense of energy and vitality. He feels more like the athlete he once was, and this has positively impacted his overall quality of life. These stories are just a glimpse into the transformative power of planking. Whether you're a busy parent, a former athlete, or someone looking to improve your fitness, planking can be a game changer. So why not give it a try and see the results for yourself? Section 8. The Ripple Effect. The beauty of planking is that it's not just about physical transformation, it's about building mental toughness too. That 1 minute of holding a plank, pushing through the burn, builds discipline and resilience that spills over into other areas of your life. You start to realize that if you can commit to this one small act of self-care every day, what else are you capable of achieving? The possibilities become endless. Section 9. Your 1 minute transformation starts today. So what are you waiting for? Your 1 minute transformation starts today. Commit to planking for just 60 seconds every day and watch your body and mind transform. It's a small investment with a huge payoff. Are you in?